Castries East. Polling Division D1. Communities Geno, Bocage, Lafitte, Jiwa. Polling stations address Bocage Secondary School. Polling Division D2. Communities Bocage West, Tirocher, Wavin Chabot, Entrepot, Gaumont, Bagatelle East, Waterworks Road from the Nazarene Church upwards, Upper Marcia from Mindu Philip Park to Bagatelle East, Monjiwa. Polling stations address Entrepot Secondary School. Polling Division D3. George Charles Boulevard including Burke Kings Lane, Park Lane, Decoto Lane, Marshall Road. Polling stations address Marshall Parish Center. Polling Division D4. Rock Hall Road, Wavintu 12, Arundel Hill, George Mallet Avenue, Bishop's Gap, Girahu Road, Therefore 4 Road West, Bagatelle West. Polling stations address Bishop Charles Gachet Roman Catholic Combined School, former Marshall Combined School. Polling Division D5A. Communities Pave East, Maynard Hill, Etienne Road East, Touge, Black Mallee Gap, Upper Bridge Street, Mon Link Road, Mayfield, Hospital Road, Therefore East, Riverside Road South, Chef Harry's Drive, Chesterfield Road, Marshall, Bridge Street, Mon Link Road, Mayfield, Therefore East, Bridge Street, Upper Part, and Victoria Road. Polling stations address Players Pavilion, Mindu Philip Park, Marshall. Polling Division D5B. Communities Pave East, Maynard Hill, Etienne Road East, Touge, Black Mallee Gap, Upper Bridge Street, Mon Link Road, Mayfield, Hospital Road, Therefore East, Riverside Road South, Chef Harry's Drive, Chesterfield Road, Marshall, Bridge Street, Mon Link Road, Mayfield, Therefore East, Bridge Street, Upper Part, and Victoria Street. Polling station address Panshed, Belgrave Court, Marshall Grounds. Polling Division D6. Etienne Road, north of Corbinier Road, Old Military Road, Pave Road, Chef Harry's Drive, Mon Road East, Parker's Lane, Wakache, Therefore, West Pave Road to the State Highway. Polling stations address Dubolays Building.
Polling Division E1. Communities Sanssouci, Lance Road West, Luna Park, VG, Point Seraphine. Polling station address Carmen Rene Memorial School. Polling Division E2. Communities Bonnard Hill, Conway, Darling Road, corner of High and Brogley Street to Chaussee Road, corner of High Street and Chaussee Road through Calvary Road. Government housing estate including Block E, G, J, K, P, Q, R, T, W, X, Z, AS, BS, CS, ES, FS, GS. New CDC buildings including Block A, B, C, E, G, F, J, K. Northern corner of High and Coral Streets, northern corner of High and Chisel Streets, St. Louis Street, Victoria Street, Jeremy Street, Upper Part. Polling station address Anglican Infant School. Polling Division E3. Communities Chaussee Road, Upper Part, Miko Street, Brogley Street, Brazil Street, Marianne Street, Pena Street, Manuel Street, Bourbon Street, Monjero Street, Labrie Street, Bridge Street, Queens Lane, William Peter Boulevard, Grass Street, corner of High and Coral Streets, upper part, corner of High, Chisel Streets, upper part, government housing estate including Block B, C, F, H, L, M, N, R, U, V, D, S, Y, S. Leslie Land, Monjero Road, Waterworks Road, from Flubber Bridge westward to the junction with Chaussee Road, Barnard Hill. Polling station address, RC Boys Primary School. Polling division E4, New Village, Piatsgap, Le Pensée, Georgeville, Calvary Road, La Rosée, Mount Pleasant. Polling station address, Castries Constituency Council Office, former Town Hall, Pena Street. Polling division E5, Communities, Foligouan, Monavit, Rose Hill, Wilton's Yard, Mondudor, Bois Patat, Western Side. Polling station address, RC Boys Infant School. Polling division E6A, Waterworks Road, Lakudu, Leslie Land, Lastic Hill, Patterson's Gap, Cedars Road, Lower Part. Polling station address, Ave Maria Infant School. Polling division E6B, Waterworks Road, Lakudu, Leslie Land, Lastic Hill, Patterson's Gap, Cedars Road, Lower Part. Polling station address, Ave Maria Primary School.
Castries South, polling division F1, communities Latoc Road, Hospital Road, Sapion, Foacho, Bunans, Bella Rosa, Foacho, Mon Road West, Coopers Road, Bunans. Polling station address, Ferry Terminal Building, Port Castries, Bunnan. Polling division F2A, communities Goodlands West, Mon Road South, Cuba Real Estate South, Cul-de-sac, Mon Road West. Polling station address, Hasher Building Car Park, Ministry of Education Building, Goodlands. Polling division F2B, communities Ciceron, Ansfer, Green Bay, Bellevue, Monkey Town. Polling stations address, Ciceron Secondary School. Polling division F3, communities Mount Cabrit, La Pointe, Marigot, La Pearl West, Mont Saint-Joseph, Mont Bellevue, Ticolon West, Laquamingo West, Cul-de-sac West. Polling stations address, Laquamingo, The Hess School.
Anse La Raye Canaries, polling division G1, communities Roseau, Mondor, Jean-Baptiste, La Trellie, Des Lagoon, Jacmel, Foin Rouge, Boisden, Montciseau. Polling station address, Roseau Combined School. Polling division G2A, communities Millet, Tetchime Estate, Venus Estate, Dindon, Desmondis, Dédé Traversée West, Kaiko, Chantin, Epapuin, Dupi. Polling station address, Millet Primary School. Polling division G2B, communities Vanna, Durando. Polling station address, Christian Faith Assembly, Vanna. Polling division G2C, Tetchime Estate, Venus Estate East. Polling station address, Tetchime Human Resource Center. Polling division G3, communities Otabo, Anse La Raye Village, Anse Galette, Chantin, Sarot, Theodorin, Anse Conchon, Mount Pleasant Estate, Mount Orange, Anguin, Mold Street, Pettibrook Street, Opos Estate, Masqui. Polling station address, Anse La Raye Primary School. Polling Division G4, Communities, Anse La Raye, Canaries Village, Esperance, Belvedere, Wavin Duval, Jabet Point, Cibot, Guambon Forest, Mount Parasol, Mount Jimmy, Park Estate, Flora Villa. Polling station address, Canaries Primary School.